Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix the DISM restore health scan stuck at 62.3%. So if your DISM scan freezes at exactly 62.3, it usually means the tool has hit corrupted files or is caught trying to connect to Windows Update services for repairs. So the first thing that you want to do is to basically restart the Windows Update services to unblock the process. So you actually want to navigate through your task manager. And from here, you have to basically confirm that the DISM is actually frozen. It will go ahead and say that the DISM is basically not responding. And from there, we then have to navigate or proceed with the next step. This just basically confirms that yes, it has hit those corrupted files on your health scan right here. So the next thing that we want to do is to restart the Windows Update services. Basically, the ISM often hangs at 62.3% when communicating with Windows Update, so resetting these services clears the bottleneck. So once again, you want to head over to your Windows key and then type CMD, and then you want to open the command prompt with the Run as Administrator option. From there, you then want to simply type the following commands. So first, you have net start bits. From there, you have the net start DOSVH. So I'm just going to list all of the commands that we have to enter. And the third one is going to be the net start USO SVC, net start trusted installer, net start WUASERV. From there, you then want to close the command prompt after basically entering all of these commands, restart your computer and try running DISM command again. So it's going to be this specific command, DISM.exe online cleanup image restore health. And so basically from there, it should help you fix the problem. Of course, there's a lot of aspects and things regarding this specific problem, but this right here is the basic ways or the common ways in order to fix it off the get-go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.